Hi, my name is Brendan O'Boyle. I'm the Western Regional Sales Manager for Communication Markets for Preformed Line Products. And I have been participating in the FBA for about 6 years directly. I joined the FBA because my company was a participating member. Preform's been in the FBA, I think, since its inception, so about 20 years. And I decided to participate because it is a very gratifying experience to be able to help uh, people that are trying to build fiber optic networks solve the needs that they have. Clearly, we have a lot of emerging market opportunities out there that were not even around when I started 5 years ago. And a lot of these different deployments are requiring a lot of different creative solutions. And I found that, you know, participating in the FBA, both on the technology committee where we would talk about future forward technologies and the best type of fiber networks that are available. Participating in a group like that was a really great place for me to understand just the technical expertise that the FBA had at its disposal. And that's a combination of manufacturers that produce the fiber optic cable and then also all the other devices that support that, which is where my company would come into that. But the really amazing thing about the FBA is it's also a great place to meet with operators and find out what challenges they're facing and maybe the ways that they've resolved them. And I love engaging in those types of conversations. And also contractors, folks that are building the networks today and how their requirements are the same as the operators, but they have a different set of challenges because they need to actually just get the job done. They're not going to own the network. So I felt that it was a very positive thing to work with people to be able to provide the value that the FBA has now become renowned for in the industry, being the only full fiber broadband supporting organization in the United States. I took that opportunity working with the technology committee to then figure out how I could continue to support the FBA and continue to support its members. And so an opportunity arose to develop a new committee around deployment specialists specifically. So I'm the committee chair for the Fiber Deployment Specialist Committee at the FBA as well. And in this particular group, we don't deal as much with the technologies as we would in the technology committee. But now what we're talking about is real challenges that are facing the market in regards to having fully trained technicians in the marketplace, which is an issue now because the networks are growing a lot more rapidly than the people that would support the building of those networks would be able to handle. So right now we're knee deep in trying to create training programs and find ways to encourage new entrants into this industry that we've all come to know and love. And ultimately, on that committee, again, we have a combination of manufacturers, network operators, contractors, and also just the FBA employees as well. Also, really appear to enjoy supporting finding new ways to cultivate this fiber broadband industry. So I can't say enough about the FBA and its impact that it has in the marketplace and the ability for it to really support and provide educational tools and resources for people that are either just getting started and not knowing where to begin, looking at our fiber starter kit that we have on our website, but then also taking a look at really advanced use cases of, okay, I've been deploying fiber for a few years, now what's next? And we can talk about, how to better monetize operators, to get into different types of deployments and take a look at, many different solutions that they have at their fingertips. So I can't say enough about the FBA. I would love anyone that was interested to join the Fiber Deployment Specialist Committee or any committee at the FBA's disposal. And I look forward to meeting you. So if at any point you see me walking around, please walk up. I'd love to have a conversation with you further about why join the FBA, because I think there's 1.5 million reasons that we couldn't begin to cover right now. And thank you very much.